For many years, Somalia has been a victim of war. Nowadays, since the beginning of internet era, it is a victim of roast.
We are Kush, okay? We are related to Somalis. We have big heads, and if it...
Somalians everywhere. I'm looking for foreheads. I know I see them shits. Strongest foreheads in the game, man.
That can't run. Like every time the foreheads are so big. Nah, I would like to hear. Nah, that's just the head. Could I?
My name is Lil Basto, and I'm gonna bring justice to my country by responding to these haters. Let me just hope this can get me a statue next to Hawatako. Farmajo, if you're watching this, I will not let you down. No, before we get to video, this video is sponsored by Soca Energy Drink that will be launching on Mogadishu, 16 December, the whole of Somalia and East Africa this January 2020. Refugee gang, go show them support, follow their Instagram. Anyways, let's go to founder number 1.
I care with the Africans, because Africans been messing with us for a long time.
What the hell are you? A white man or a white nigga? The only thing that is being messed with is your identity.
In 2008, we had the Somalian pirates. Them little skinny Africans took over one of our boats. I was so embarrassed, because that had been different. Those some big, healthy, cheetah wrestling Africans. Skinny Africans took over one of our boats. I was so embarrassed, because that had been different. Those some big, healthy, cheetah wrestling Africans.
I'm not skinny! Look at my muscle! Okay, he has a bounty there, but we are coming for him. Let's go.
But this is a Somalian.
Hell no! The Meg was big. He should have used a toothbrush.
Can you imagine getting robbed by 3 of these?
It is much harder and worse when 3 of these rob you.
If 3 of these came up to me talking about, we're going to take over your boat.
Somalians. Now, every Somalian family has at least 4 siblings and 1 on the way. Their sex drive is crazy. Or they're just strategic with how they make their money. I don't really know, but I swear they live life like it's Clash of Clans, because every 10 minutes a new soldier pops out. 1 second they're yelling at their kids, "What are ya? What are ya?" Next second they're in their bedroom making 2 Mohammeds and an Abdullahi.
Where are the rest? This is the Clash of Clans.
Now, Somalian guys, though, they're the funniest people on this planet. You know how some people say, "Hey, ma nigga," or "ma nicka." Well, Somalians say it like they don't believe in commas or a space, like, "Hey, manigi, 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 yo, manigi, you good?"
I think your ears are fucking racist. The way sound like goats to you. Ana boraha tahay cune.
Now, I respect Somalians because they look out for their people and only their people. They are stingy as hell and they don't share for shit unless you are Somalian. If you're any other race, you ain't getting none of that. You can be like, hey man, I ain't even tried those chips before. You mind if I have a couple? Bro, please, I haven't eaten since Thursday, bro. Chill. Wallah, next time. Next thing you know, another Somalian walks by and he's all excited talking about, hey, Ahmed, my nigga, you hungry, bro?
That is simply what they call afar qabil. Or if you're good in math, just simply 4.5. Deal with it. Ana bore wahid. Okay, so the next part of this video, I will react to weird videos and recreate them. Who is Kobe is this? I have mine hair. Please let me know. Wallahi, I'm concerned someone is Kobo has been electrocuted or possessed by demons. Anyway, let me try this dance. Okay, that Scobo was mental. Do not try this at home or at school. It made my back muscles bob. Let's go to the next one.
حمر جديد حمر جدك وطن بطل يخشد لونه وطن بدن ديني دير مافيا بقى قدام وما صرت مية
Hell no! Tough guy here. Not knowing that they banned me from the team. Cause I'm the toughest thing out there. Only real gangsters like me now. Hope's done. I'm gonna recreate this. Let's fucking go. I'm at team station.
Let's go.
Let's go, Tuesday.
Come on. Come on, he's back. Come on. So sorry. Come on. Come on.
The team is good for your health, but don't molest the fruits for God's sake.
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना आई मैं हो गई तेरे साजना तेरे बिन जीव नहीं लगता मैं तो मर गया लज्जा 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 हाय हाय मैं मेरे जावा तेरे बिन.
Wait! Did I just see Black Sharu? There can only be one Black Sharu, and that's me. Bulakaya, Bulachala, Bulaka, Bulaka. I have abused English enough times. No, it is Bollywood. Man cannot deal with these rape cases anymore. Now, DJ drop the mic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. This qaxooti is growing. You don't wanna. I miss ayada cunay. All the way at the center, skated, hopping.